You know how when you're older, everything you do collects into a library of all your stuff that you've done. And anything you do in a day, you put the energy out, and then after it's done, you start doubting what you just did, or thinking, maybe I shouldn't have done that, or maybe I did it wrong. And you get attached to your actions that you just did. And you don't need to do it because you put your best foot forward when you did it. You put your energy out like you've been training yourself to do. And it was a good expenditure of energy. So you got to leave it alone. You know how when you're a little kid, those whirligig rides that went around and around? Well, just imagine if you grabbed one of those. It would sling you around and throw you away. So, yeah, thoughts are the same way. Don't keep hanging on to them. You throw them out there and let them go. So that's why maybe when we get older, we feel more heavy because we're hanging on to those things, thinking, well, I'll bring that up and make sure it was okay and assess it. And it's gone. It's in the past. You know that we're living in the present. Everybody knows it now. It's gone. And the future isn't here yet. So you can lighten your load just by what I'm calling, bang, the water's clear. You know, there's that secret kind of a pill, I don't know what it is, and you put it in dirty water and bang, the water's clear. So that's what we do with our mind. We start to dwell on something we just did or something that we're thinking about that we know has already been logged in and assessed. And instead of dwelling at all on it, we go, bang, the water's clear. Put that pill in the water. Put that little intent in your mind. Bang, the water's clear. Your mind is clear. Water off a duck's back. It's like throwing a pebble into a pond and the water finds its calm right away. So if we can do that, we're doing what nature intended us to do. And what is that special little pill that you're going to throw into your mind to clear the water? It's energy. It's more energy, a bundle of it. The kind you know will get you out of there. And we'll be free to see all the present has to offer us and make use of it. And maybe even feel a little bit more calm and content and happy with what's going on, because it seems to be a little more under our control. Even though we're not controlling, we're letting go.